Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Today I am going to share my incoming swap from Holly. This is the purse swap that I had shared with you guys, and so this is her swap back to me. I did open the card, but I wanted to show you, so super cute. I just wanted to show you what the inside looked like before I take everything out. She just sprinkled it with some yummies here, and I'm going to take all this out, and I am thinking this is the purse swap, so I'm going to leave that over there. And her note says, "Hey Anna, I hope you like what I created for our swap. I really enjoy making purses. Glad to have had you as my partner, Holly." And she sent that note in this really cute card. You know, we can cut that out and use that as ephemera. Super, super duper cute. Thank you, Holly. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to open is this package right here, wrapped in black. Oh, how cute. This is bottle holder. A glue bottle holder. I like that. Oh, thank you, Holly. I really wanted one of these. Now, I don't know if she made it or she purchased it. That is so cute. I love it. Thank you, Holly. I am going to definitely use that. I'm going to put this right here on my table. Let me see if it holds my big glue bottle. This is my big glue bottle. I probably wouldn't use it. I mean, oh, it holds a big glue bottle. Let me see. Oh, come on. Oh, it holds a big glue bottle, guys, and it doesn't tip over. I'm impressed. And it isn't paper, guys. It is the material that they use for folders, that plastic stuff. I like it. Thank you, Holly. And then, of course, she included the glue bottle. Love it. Thank you, Holly. And next we will open this one. Oh, wow, guys, look at this. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Look at that gorgeous color. I think she may have made these. She must work with resin. I don't know Holly, other than we were swap partners, but how gorgeous is this cut? Holly, you'll have to let me know. I'll have to ask her. I don't think she's on my YouTube. I'm gonna have to ask her if she made these bows. They are, I think she did. I really do. I think she made these. Oh, that is just a gorgeous color. I love these. I could turn these into charms or glue them down as is. They're so pretty. Oh, Holly, you outdid yourself with this. And look at that paper. Hopefully I can salvage that. So pretty. Thank you, Holly. Let us open her purse. Oh, wow, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is the back. Oh, I just love this. She used some bling for the little hardware pieces. And this, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's paper, like double-sided paper, or she glued two pieces together. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love that. Oh my gosh, look at the little glasses, guys. Seriously, this is just too much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I want to bend them all up. Oh my goodness. And then she put a little dangle here. She put my initial. She used a tassel. And look at this cute little charm there. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous, Holly. Oh my goodness. Look at this little buckle she used for the closure. And it's got Velcro. That is so cute. You know what, guys? I am thinking that she did double this, because look at the back of this. It's plain. So I'm thinking she doubled the handles. They are so sturdy. Oh, that is so adorable. And this is the inside. So she embossed the paper. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, Holly. You did an amazing job with this. I'm gonna display this. This is so, I love that color. And everything just everything matches. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Beautiful, beautiful. So that is her purse. Now let me see how these glasses were in there. I think they were in there like this. Oh, they were in there like this. Pretty sure. How cute. I wonder if this is a cut file from one of, you know, a machine or a die. That is just too adorable. Too stinking cute. So let's see what she had inside. And inside the purse, she has got, oh, how cute. She's got one of those little lip balm containers with her confetti, with her sequence mix. I love it. How cute. It's got all kinds of stuff in there, guys. I won't take it all out, but it's got little frills in there. It's got colored sequins, little stars. I love that polka dot. So adorable. This is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Very pretty. And then in this package, oh my, she's got this great big safety pin and it's got my name on it. So cute, the little Starbucks cup. Oh my gosh, how cute. With the coffee with the heart swirl in the center. How adorable. Oh my gosh, that is just too adorable. I love that. So super cute, Holly. Thank you. And then in this last one, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Girl, look at this keychain. How stinking cute is this keychain? See, I think she made these. I think she made them all. How stinking cute. Oh my gosh. That is just too adorable. Oh my gosh, Holly, thank you so, so much. I love everything. All right, guys, so that was my return swap from Holly, and oh my gosh, she did an amazing job. Holly, if you're watching, thank you so, so much. I appreciate all your hard work. It is all just gorgeous. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I thought I would pop in and share my swap with you guys, my return swap. I appreciate you watching, and we will talk to you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.